This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Brandy Holdeman. Available August. Remodeled 4-bedroom 1-bath home on north side of Bloomington. Home has a newer kitchen, updated bath, newer floor coverings throughout, updated furnace and central air, and a large laundry room, washer and dryer not included. The backyard is completely fenced. This home is located in a quiet neighborhood close to schools, restaurants, a public park, and a golf course. 4th bedroom could be a large family room, kids' play room, or office. For more information, review the details below or contact Brandy Holdeman at 812-323-1231.